Hello and welcome to Mia's Yummy World, the easy cooking channel for PC families. Thank you for visiting this channel, and if you're here the first time, please remember to subscribe this channel for very easy, simple and tasty recipes. Please click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos posted on this channel. Today's easy recipe is a plate of very tasty, filling and healthy salad, which you can make with very few ingredients you have at home. I've taken a hard-boiled egg, a tablespoon and a half of good quality olive oil, green and black grapes or olives as you like. I've taken grapes here. Baby plum tomatoes, you can use cherry tomatoes or normal cooking tomatoes, whichever is available at home. A small carrot sliced lengthwise like this, half a lemon, salt and pepper to taste, and some leaves of iceberg lettuce or whichever lettuce is available. This is a very simple and healthy salad. It's also very filling and you get a good portion of vegetables and fruits in this salad. There's no strict rules of what to add and what not to add in the salad. Just add everything that you like in your salad. For this lettuce, preparing the lettuce, I'm removing all the outer leaves because it may not be that good. I'm using just the inner portion of a lettuce. I'm slicing a chunk out of the lettuce and slicing it lengthwise. I've used iceberg lettuce here. Like most leafy greens, iceberg lettuce is low in calories, sugar and fat, and it has only about 1 calorie per leaf. It has high water content than many other types of lettuce. It's a good source of vitamins and other nutrients, and I've read somewhere that it has got vitamin C, K, A, folate and potassium, and a good source of calcium too. So I've sliced the lettuce now and I've added it onto my plate. Next, I'm adding baby plum tomatoes to my salad. Please feel free to use whichever tomato you have at home. It is a major dietary source of antioxidant lipocene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Tomatoes is also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. It's very low in carbohydrates and calories, but very high in water content. I'm just slicing that in halves and adding on to my plate. Next, I'm adding half a carrot sliced lengthwise like this. Carrot is a good source of vitamin A, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, fiber and other nutrients, and it's very filling. Carrot is actually a weight loss friendly food. It's proven to lower cholesterol levels and improve eye health. Next, I'm adding green and black grapes to my salad. You can substitute this with black or green olives if you like, but I don't have them at home now, so I'm using grapes. Grapes offer a wealth of health benefits due to its high nutrient content and antioxidant properties. It's very filling because it's rich in fiber and water. Next, I'm going to add the boiled egg to the salad. I'm just going to remove the shell and slice the egg to small pieces before adding it to my salad. Eggs are highly nutritious and low in calories. I think a large hard-boiled egg contains just under 78 calories, but it has got several important nutrients, vitamins and minerals. And the best thing is eggs are rich in protein. Protein adds weight loss because it's extremely filling, and eggs are a great source of protein, with one large egg providing approximately 6 grams of dietary protein. The next ingredient to go into my salad is cheese. You can use any variety of cheese that you like, but I'm using this cheese here. I'm cutting it to small slices before adding it to my salad. Cheese is a delicious and nutritious food, and it's very versatile. You can add it to any dish that you like or eat it just by itself. It's convenient and portable, and I think there are more than 300 varieties of cheese. I read somewhere that cheese can be very good for your bones and it can have a positive effect on your dental health. Cheese consumption can help you gain weight in a very healthy way, and it's the best dietary source of calcium. It's very high in vitamins, nutrients and protein as well, and it's very filling. So I'm cutting this cheese to strips like this and adding it onto my salad plate. This plate contains already between 5 to 6 different colors of food. The next thing I'm going to do is drizzle some fresh lemon juice over the salad. You can also use fresh lime if it's available. Fresh lemon juice or lime promotes hydration. It's a good source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss. It improves digestion and it's very good for your skin. Next, add a few teaspoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil to the top of the salad. Olive oil is rich in healthy monosaturated fats. It contains large amounts of antioxidants and it has very strong anti-inflammatory properties. And I've read somewhere that it's best to use the olive oil without cooking it. Use it just like it is in the salads and it's very good for your health. Finally, add enough salt and pepper to taste and our salad is ready. You can see this plate of salad is so simple to make. I've taken not even 5 minutes to make this salad and it is so filling, so nutritious and really tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to subscribe this channel for many more easy, tasty and healthy recipes. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon with yet another happy and easy recipe.